Do you know that the Bible says God commands us to care for animals so that things will go well in our lives and our days will be prolonged? Those who have pets should love them, provide for them, and meet their needs. The Bible says in Psalm 147:9, He provides food for the animals. But look at God's promise for those who care for their animals. Deuteronomy 22:6-7 says, Take care of your animals. If you do this, God will bless your life and prolong your days. Understand that God gave you animals to care for, tend to, and feed. And God promises to bless you and give you a long life. When you love and care for animals, you reflect God's compassion and stewardship. Hey, before you go, drop a comment with the name of your pet, dog, cat, etc. Remember, the way you treat your pets reflects the kindness and love that God has for all His creation.